Hello guys, welcome to MailsDaddy. Moving a business from Google Workspace to Microsoft 365 sounds exciting. New tools, better integration, and stronger collaboration. But then comes the big hurdle. All your company's files, projects, and shared resources are still sitting in Google Drive. Downloading and re-uploading is not only impractical, it risks breaking file structures, losing permissions, and creating downtime for your team. In this video, we'll cover exactly how organizations can securely migrate Google Workspace Drive data into Microsoft 365 OneDrive manually. First, I want to inform you that you need to have active Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace business subscription because of following the manual method you cannot migrate normal Google Drive to OneDrive. Let's see how to perform this process manually. First, we will go to the office.com to sign in Microsoft 365 admin account. Now sign in your Microsoft 365 admin account. Now click on the Admin Center to open the Microsoft 365 Admin Center portal. Now in the Admin Center area, click on Show All. Go below. Here click on SharePoint. So this the SharePoint Admin Center. Here click on Migration. We want to migrate Google Workspace Drive, so we will search Google Workspace and click on Get Started button. Now we will connect Google Workspace with Microsoft 365. For this, click on Connect to Google Workspace. Now it will ask us to install the Microsoft 365 migration app in Google Workspace. Here click on Install and Authorize link. So this is the Google Workspace Marketplace section. I was already logged into the Google Workspace admin account, so I'm straight here. If you haven't logged in before, it will ask you to log in a Google Workspace admin account. Click on Admin Install and here again click on Continue button. Now in the Admin Wide Installation Consent screen, select I agree to the application's term and policy and click the Finish button. Now you can see Microsoft 365 migration tool has been installed, so click on the Done button. Now go back to the SharePoint Admin Center. Here click on the Next button. Now here click on the Sign into Google Workspace button to authenticate Google Workspace account. Now sign in your Google Workspace account. Now you can see that we are connected to Google Workspace, so click on the Next button. To migrate file level permission, enable this option. Select the file versions as per you need and press the Next button. You can see that Google Workspace account is connected to Microsoft 365, so click on Finish button. Now select Drive option. Go below and click on Add Drives. Now here select All New Drives button. Enable Automatically Start Scanning Now option to automatically scan all content from Google Workspace Drive, and finally click on Add button. You can see it is loading Google Workspace drives. So these two drives are in Google Workspace. The scan result is in queue. It takes little bit time to scan and look for the content in the drive. Now you can see the scan result is completed, so select both drives and click on Copy to Drive Migrations. Now here it will ask for confirmation the drive added to migration will be automatically mapped to destinations paths in Microsoft 365. So click on Copy to Migrations. Once we click on Copy to Migrations, it will copy these selected drives in Drive Migrations part. So click on Go to Drive Migrations button. You can see both drives are added in Migrations part. Here you can also see that the migration status is showing Never Run. Now we need to map the destination. Here you can also see that the Microsoft 365 has automatically mapped the destination path for all drives. If you want to change, select the drive. Here in the destination section, click on Edit option. Select OneDrive destination and put the Microsoft 365 OneDrive account. If you want to create folder and move all data in that folder, click on Create Folder and put the unique folder name and click on Create Folder. Now click on Save Path. Repeat the same process for other users. Now select both drives and click on Migrate option. Now to map the identities, click on Map Identities, otherwise click on Skip button. Now here click on Migrate button. Now you can see the migration has started and the migration status is in progress. It will take some time to complete the migration process. Now you can see that one user migration status is in finalizing. Once it will finalize the migration, it will show you status as completed. Now you can see first user migration status is in finalizing and second user the migration status is now completed. Finally, you can see both user migration status is now completed. This is the process to migrate Google Drive to OneDrive. Now let's check if the drive contents have been migrated or not. For this, go to Microsoft 365, select Apps and click on OneDrive. Select My Files and search the created folder in migration time. You can see that folder has been created successfully. Click on the folder to see data. You can see the data has been migrated. As you've seen, the manual migration from Google Workspace Drive to Microsoft 365 OneDrive is a time-taking process. Moreover, it can be more complicated if you have a heavy drive content. You might lose some important data. To get relief in migration, you can directly go for a professional service provider, MailsDaddy. MailsDaddy offers tailored migration services across multiple cloud platforms, including Google Drive to OneDrive, with a focus on ensuring seamless, accurate transfers crucial for business environments. The migration tools are designed for zero downtime, enabling your business to continue operations uninterrupted during the migration. MailsDaddy also support rapid, complete transfers, including all files, folder structures, permissions, and version histories. Visit the mailsdaddy.com, select Services page, fill the form and share your requirements with us. Thanks for watching the video. Please like the video and subscribe to MailsDaddy channel. Also enable the bell icon to always stay connected with us.